Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafted and Created. We're installing a Deye inverter, Jinko panels, and a lithium battery bank. This system is perfect for homes and businesses. Before we begin, please note, solar installation involves high voltage. It should only be handled by technicians. Use proper PPE, isolate power, and follow manufacturer guidelines. For this installation, we'll need a multimeter and crimping tools, screwdrivers, spanners, cables, and mounting rails, along with breakers and earthing materials. Let's get to it. First, we install the solar panels. Ensure proper tilt and sunlight exposure. Make sure there is no shading. These generate power from both sides. To increase efficiency, now we connect our solar panels. Using Mach 4 connectors and thick cables, we route them through a combiner box equipped with fuses and breakers to match the inverter voltage. We connect the solar panels on the roof in 12 series and 2 parallel strings. This gives optimal voltage and current. For the Deye inverter, let's get started. Next is the Deye lithium battery system. Connect positive to positive and negative to negative. Ensure tight terminals. Double-check polarity. Now we mount the Deye inverter on a solid wall. Make sure we align the bracket. We must ensure proper spacing for ventilation. This also allows easy access for maintenance. We connect the PV, battery, and AC inputs along with the communication cable. Then, we route the AC output and install isolators and breakers. Let's check them. We connect the communication cable between the inverter and lithium. We also install AC breakers and surge protection devices. This setup looks perfect. Proper earthing is critical. We ground panels and the inverter and the battery system. This protects against lightning and electrical faults. We power on the inverter and configure settings. Program the battery type, load priority, and grid settings. Check operational levels. Now we turn on our loads and monitor the power flow. The solar is charging and discharging perfectly. The system is running smoothly. Quality cables and labeled connections prevent most system issues. Always ensure loose wiring does not happen. Do routine maintenance. Avoid sparks and reverse polarity. Do not use undersized cables. Read the user's manual. Follow manufacturer's specifications. Always install with protection. Good luck with your installation. Let's review our installed Deye system. Neatly mounted inverter and battery bank, perfectly powering basic loads inside the home.
Take a look at this completed installation. 24 Jinko panels maximizing power, providing a full off-grid and hybrid system, ready to power this beautiful home.
And that's how to professionally install a complete solar system using a Deye inverter, lithium battery, and Jinko panels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to see you in the next one.